Hello everyone. So I'm gonna make another video thinking that probably the previous one I did today earlier, the video, I mean the sound wasn't really good. So I'm gonna repeat the trade I made on this one, but also I'm gonna review another trade I made for an extra $200. So let's get into it. Remember to subscribe to the channel and also review the description where I have the links to Apex and also top step trader. And then in this one you can get a couple of or a link in a coupon to a discount. 50% on Apex and also 20% if you sign up for an account in Top Step. Okay, let's get into it. So earlier today I published a video. Unfortunately, the sound wasn't really good. I expect that this one is becoming much better. We'll see. But basically, what I did enter was a short entry out of the 34 EMA, and that one was a run all the way till the target one here that it's a little bit above the 52 or I'm sorry, the S2 or support 2 mid. So that means that it's in between the S2, which is this one here, and the S1 there. So it started to move down, and I took that trade there until there. And then there was another week out of the 18 that gave a little bit extra points there. So I didn't take that one, I just took this one. All right, so that is kind of like what I tried to explain in the other video. Unfortunately, I did my when I reviewed the publication, the sound wasn't really good. So, but there was another trade I made. Not here, not here. It is also another short. Even though the market was reversing nicely, I didn't take any of that. But let's see. Let me go a little bit faster where it is. So right there. So it's kind of like recent trade. So we do have this channel moving down. This one here, which is a kind of a longer term channel. It was touching up there and then came back down. Now I saw what I saw here. It's a couple of things. Let me show you the history on this one. So basically in this area, I saw a lower low right here, and then the market started to chop around in this area. So actually from here to there, we do have a chop, we do have up, down. But the important thing here is that in this low pivots, you have a double bottom. That is marked by this indicator that I have here. So it says DB, which is double bottom. Okay, so what I did was to put a level here, which is this one, and I put it right in the double bottom. And then if you see here, market started to go up and down, up and down, moved away out of this zone of consolidation right there, and it started to move down. So I took this trade here, and my rationale was to go all the way to the lower end of the 30 minutes opening range, which is from 9 to 9:30. So I took the trade right here when it broke that horizontal line formed by the double bottom. So I took it right there. So then I had my fixed target right here, and I meant to move it all the way to down to this area. I probably wouldn't be filled if I had put it above here. So let's see. If I had put it right a little bit, 2 or 3 ticks or 1 or 2 ticks below the opening range, then I would probably meet the target. But I'm happy with this trade. This one is $200 additional, so $1,000 for the day in NQ. Now the day is young still. It's 1:47 p.m. Eastern. So there's a couple of hours more of trading. So I don't know what the market is going to do, if it's going to rip higher or it's going to just go and sell off. But as long as the market is in this area here and not approaching it, then I'm probably get out. But if I see that this one is going to move to the downside, remember that there's an indicator here. This is the VWAP indicator. So there's a possibility that this one is going to run down here. I don't know. I'm gonna be very cautious on trades. If I take any, I would probably publish it or maybe not. So, but I think that this break is a breakout of consolidation. There's a Actually, there is a it's in the risk zone right here, but there was some consolidation in this area, moved to the upside, then it started to come down, and then I took it out of this range here. So let's mark it right here. So there is still in consolidation. What I did was to take it right below that break there. Basically on this one, there was an overshoot in this area right here, coming back down right there, and then there's an overshoot in here, and that is the overshoot I took. Okay, it was expected probably that the market is balancing out, so it's was moving sideways there. Now it seems that that it wants to go a little bit lower, but it's still above the moving averages. Look at this stack. Renko is still in green, so no trades. I'm not authorized to take any trades above that. I need to wait. And it seems that wants to break. Now it turned into gray, so it seems that wants to break to the downside. We'll see. But it's still in gray, so that means that there's in the moving averages are not stuck neither to the downside or to the upside. All right, so that was the short video update I wanted to make, and thank you for so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to the channel.